Mitral valve stenosis. Anatomy, causes, symptoms, diagnosis and management. Anatomy of the mitral valve. Location, between left atrium and left ventricle. Function, one-way blood flow from left atrium to left ventricle. Normal orifice, 4 to 6 cm square. What is mitral valve stenosis? Narrowing of mitral valve, obstructing blood flow from left atria to left ventricle. Causes. Most common, rheumatic heart disease. Others, congenital stenosis. Severe calcification in elderly. Radiation-induced. Infective endocarditis, rare. Pathophysiology. Obstruction of the mitral valve leads to increased left atrial pressure, causing pulmonary congestion, which in turn results in right heart strain and ultimately progresses to heart failure. Signs and symptoms. Dyspnea, on exertion. Orthopnea and PND. Fatigue. Hemoptysis. Palpitations, atrial fibrillation. Malar flush. Loud S1 opening snap, mid-diastolic murmur. Diagnosis. ECG, LA enlargement, atrial fibrillation. Chest X-ray, straight left heart border, pulmonary congestion. Echocardiogram, gold standard. Doppler, measures severity. Cardiac catheterization, for unclear cases. Severity classification. Mild mitral stenosis has a valve area greater than 1.5 cm square and a mean gradient less than 5 mmHg. Moderate mitral stenosis has a valve area between 1.0 and 1.5 cm square with a mean gradient of 5 to 10 mmHg. Severe mitral stenosis has a valve area less than 1.0 cm square and a mean gradient greater than 10 mmHg. Treatment options. Medical, diuretics. Beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, for rate control. Anticoagulants, if AF present. Interventional, percutaneous balloon mitral valvotomy, PBMV. Surgical, mitral valve repair or replacement. Complications. Pulmonary hypertension. Atrial fibrillation. Embolic stroke. Right-sided heart failure. Infective endocarditis. Prognosis and follow-up. Depends on severity and response to treatment. Regular echo monitoring. Lifelong anticoagulation if AF present. Summary. Rheumatic heart disease's main cause. Symptoms progress gradually. Echo is diagnostic gold standard. PBMV is preferred for eligible patients.